Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 16 or newer and that the keyboard app supports custom images. Once done, open Settings and navigate to General then Keyboard or launch the third-party Keyboards app directly. This is where appearance controls live. Make sure you have the photo ready in Photos, Portrait or Square Works because you'll import or assign it next. This step gets you straight into the right panel so you can change the picture now. Now you select the keyboard appearance or background option and tap Add Photo or Change Image. This imports from Photos. Once the photo loads, crop or move it to center the subject. Use a 1:1 square for best fit, because key positions should not hide faces or text. Tap Done to apply the crop. If the keyboard offers brightness or opacity sliders, adjust them so keys and letters remain legible. These tweaks prevent contrast issues and improve typing accuracy. Finish by saving the keyboard settings and testing in Messages or Notes. You'll see how keys overlay the image. If it doesn't apply, quit the keyboard app or restart the iPhone and make sure the keyboard has Photos permission in Settings. Permissions often block access. Once fixed, reapply the image. To revert, open the same appearance menu and choose Reset or Remove Background. That single troubleshooting tip, check permissions first, solves most failures quickly. So try that before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.